तो किस चीज का वेट कर रहे हैं आप? डाउनलोड कीजिए लेजेंडरी लेक्चर्स ऐप फ्रॉम गूगल प्ले स्टोर।
When you take a metallic conductor and when this metallic conductor you connect in outside electric field. You take a metallic conductor and this metallic conductor you connect in outside electric field. Now tell me what happens. Electricity is passed through the metal. Why? Because metal contains free electrons. Dear students, we have to take a topic now, metals and non-metals. Now first of all, just consider some ideas which you had studied in your previous standards. You know elements. So many elements are there. In chemistry, we have hydrogen, helium, phosphorus, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, xenon, radon, etc. and all. Many elements are there. Among the elements, some are metals, whereas some are non-metals. Now in your mind, you must be having a question that why some are called as metals and some are called as non-metals. Now first let us study for metals. कौन-कौन से metal है which you come across every day? Try to recall. Some metals which you know, which you see day to day, they are iron, copper, aluminium, at the same time sodium, calcium also. These all are metals. Now is it possible for you to put all the metals in one category at least for one property? Or the metals are showing variation in their physical and chemical properties? The answer is yes. Now, first of all, you have some simple illustrations. Take iron, take copper, aluminium in the form of sheets. At the same time, take a sodium metal. Sodium metal, you have to take utmost care in handling sodium. Sodium, you have to preserve and store separately. Sodium metal is preserved under kerosene. That metal you take and take one knife. Okay? Even our gold, silver, these are also metals. Take a knife and try for cutting the metal. Of course, you have good knife, thin sheets you can cut. But the pressure which is required for cutting a metal varies from metal to metal. That is, the property hardness is there with a metal. And this property of hardness varies from metal to metal. You take our sodium, use knife. Sodium you can cut just like a butter by using knife. You can make small pieces of sodium when you want to use sodium for reaction. And therefore remember, on the point of hardness, majority of metals are hard, but the exception is there like sodium. Sodium is very easy to cut. Now, go for one more property of all the metals. You can try this with any rod, which is aluminium rod, iron rod, copper rod. Then gold बोला तो उसका rod नहीं बनाएंगे. It's very expensive. A wire of gold, which is very thin, and you can try for a wire of silver also. Either you can go for a wire of silver or wire of zinc. Now, you have a source of heat. Place this wire, or you can hold this wire in the flame with the help of pair of tongs. Take care, you have to hold it in the center. At one point, you are getting reception of heat. Okay? At that point, you are holding it in the flame. Therefore, the heat is received at that particular point where you are holding it in a flame. This is quite clear in the diagram. Now, after some time, with a great care, just touch the other side. Why? Because the other side has become hot. When you are trying this experiment with different material of metals, whenever you are trying this experiment with different material of metals, यानी कि आप मेटल चेंज करो, अल्यूमिनियम ले लो, कॉपर ले लो, आयरन ले लो, देन गोल्ड का वायर ले लो, सिल्वर का वायर ले लो. The transfer of heat varies from metal material to metal material. That is, conduction varies from metal to metal, but all the metals conduct heat. All the metals conduct heat. सभी metals heat conduct करते हैं. अभी देखो, ये जो metal के properties है, ये properties के ऊपर उनके uses है. Metals heat conduct करते हैं, इसके लिए हम उन्हें जिधर हमें कंडक्शन चाहिए उधर यूज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन चाय पीने के लिए हम मेटल के कंटेनर पहले लेते थे. आज भी the people who are reluctant to use cups, glasses, still they take tea in containers of the metals. But when you are taking any hot material in a metallic container, you should take care. Otherwise, अपने हाथ को ही चटका बैठता है. You should be very alert because metals are good conductors of heat. Now see, in all our electric connections, we use metallic wires. Why? Do you know the reason? Metals are good conductors of electricity also. अभी देखो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्शन के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए, either ions, नहीं तो दूसरा कुछ, so that the electricity is conducted. In our topic acids and bases, we have seen that acids contain H plus ions and bases they contain OH minus ions. Therefore, in acids, the electricity is conducted due to H plus in this solution. कोई तो भी चाहिए to conduct electricity. वैसा ही, if you study cross section area of a metal, वो study आपको नहीं है, it is there in advanced classes. If you take a cross section area of metal, you will have many free electrons. Now, when you take a metallic conductor, and when this metallic conductor you connect in outside electric field, you take a metallic conductor and this metallic conductor you connect in outside electric field. Now tell me what happens. Electricity is passed through the metal. Why? Because metal contains free electrons. These free electrons that are present in the metal, they have minus charge. They are free. They are not bound with the material. वो free move हो सकते हैं cross sectional area of a metal से. तो क्या हो जाएगा? These electrons they travel. उनके पास minus charge है. Naturally वो कौन सा terminal पे जाएंगे? Plus terminal. Because this much you know that opposite charges they attract each other. इसीलिए जो माइनस इलेक्ट्रॉन है जो क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ऑफ मेटल में फ्री रहते हैं, those electrons they help in conduction of electricity and even they must be having their contribution in conduction of heat. Therefore, in nutshell we say that metals are good conductors of heat. They are good conductors of electricity also, but the extent of conduction varies from metal to metal. सभी मेटल कंडक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन जो कंडक्शन का एक्सटेंट है इट इज अ वेरिएबल, इट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन मेटल टू मेटल, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट डिफरेंट मेटल दे आर हैविंग डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशंस, डिफरेंट यूजेस।
तो किस चीज का वेट कर रहे हैं आप? डाउनलोड कीजिए लेजेंडरी लेक्चर्स ऐप फ्रॉम गूगल प्ले स्टोर।